Alright, I have a 2018 Nissan Altima here. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the crank sensor on here today. The first thing we're going to need to do is get this up on ramps. Okay, so we've got it up on ramps here, and on top of that I've got a couple jacks on each side here just to lift it up a little bit more for some extra clearance. Got the rear tire chalked just to show you where I'm lifting at here. Now this area here is not as strong. You'll note I'm kind of more up here close to this part, so just be cautious anytime that you're lifting right there. It's definitely stronger up there in that area, but I had to get back here behind my ramp. Okay, before you start to work on here, you want to make absolutely sure your exhaust has had time to completely cool off. Alright, so we're going to go into the car here. I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is come under here and find your downstream O2 sensor right here on this part of the pipe. Now what you're going to be able to do is go up through here to reach this. So if we look right through here, we can barely see the crank sensor right up there where that black wire is coming in. So you can reach your hand up here on the other side of this pipe and get to it. The problem is that it's not real easy to get this unclipped, and if you try to just take the 10 millimeter out, which can make it a little bit easier, you still don't have a whole lot of slack with the wire here. So again, I was just reaching my hand right up through here to get this. Now I'm not going to be able to show you anything, so I'm going to take this piece of exhaust out of the way. It's up to you whether you want to remove it or not. We're just going to start with this O2 connector here. Just squeezing down on this right here, get that loose. Alright, up here we've got these 16s. I'm just going to zip these out. So we're back here close to this first muffler and the catalyst. Now these should be 16s as well. All right. Okay, we're up here at this hanger. We got a couple of 12s. Alright, so that clears up a good amount of room for us. And as like I was saying, the clip is kind of hard to remove. I'm going to go ahead and just take the 10 millimeter and get this loose here. It's going to be pretty snug. Alright, so there we have that bolt. So what I'm going to start doing is kind of just twisting this until we can get this to pull out of here. And it's going to be stuck, that O-ring. It's going to take a lot of wiggling. You may even have to get in here with a little screwdriver, depending on how difficult it wants to be. So I've got it moving. Usually once you can get it moving a little bit. Alright, there we go. So there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull this down here a little bit so I can better get to this connector. Okay, you want to firmly grasp your connector while you're squeezing down on this. You don't want to be tugging on your wires a whole lot. And then you should be able to pop that off there. So you're just squeezing down on that, but that connector really does grab a hold of that sensor. Okay, now once you have your replacement, what I like to do is take some of this silicone paste, this dielectric grease, and put it all around this O-ring here, and even take some and put it on the connector where the connector is going to go here. It kind of helps to get it off in the future, but go all the way around your O-ring. We got that reconnected. Go ahead and feed this back up. Okay, I'm ready to get my exhaust back in. Took the time to put some anti-seize on these and also those down there. Okay, I jumped the gun on this bolt. I've got to get this upper part first. Now we can put this back here to kind of hold it. I'm going to torque all of the exhaust to 35 and the ones in the back too. Had this brace out previously, so it's a good opportunity to put this back. Right, we're going to get this O2 sensor. Alright, we're going to go ahead and crank it up here and see how it's running. Alright, sounds good. That's going to do it for the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.